Okay, so I've got my wok here with just warming up. How do I know when it's ready? Well, I'm just going to pop the top of a shallot in there. You could put a little bit of bread in there. And once it starts to bubble, then we know that the oil is actually hot enough for our squid. Next thing we need to do is get the squid, and then we're just going to toss it through the plain flour and lime pepper seasoning. So I've left the tentacles in there as well, just to give it a little bit of a different look on the plate. So as we can see now, the oil's hot enough. So what's really important is that we turn that temperature down so we don't just keep heating the oil. We don't want to burn the squid. So just lightly toss the squid. The last thing we want to do is put too much flour or leave the squid in for too long, or it tends to dry out. Just lightly through the flour, then onto our slotted spoon. This way we're not going to burn ourselves, and we just pop this straight away into the oil. This is a beautiful entree that you can do at home. It's so simple, so easy, and tastes absolutely amazing. Calamari probably takes around about 20 to 30 seconds, and then it's ready. And then we pop it onto some absorbent paper, and then season with some sea salt. And then we're going to prepare the plate. So what I've got is some balsamic glaze. So it's just a reduction of balsamic, just around the plate, like so, just quickly. Goes really nice with our calamari. So next thing we need to do is just place our calamari on top. A little nest of squid, right in the middle of the plate. Top with one of our tentacles. And then I'm just going to finish with some lime and some red sorrel. Absolutely beautiful. It's one of my favourite micro herbs. It's got a lovely zesty flavour, great with fish. And there's a simple little dish that you guys can do at home. I hope you enjoy it.